the microwave. Such a sick idea, dude.
Yes. So we're about to prank one of our good friends, Matt.
Matt from Kids with Problems,
That's
right?
his YouTube channel. I'm about to call him up. We're about to get him over here. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put it on speakerphone. Hey, hey Matt, what's up?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, you know, it's Ryan, you know, one of your good friends, Ryan. We were wondering if you wanted to come chill with us.
Yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah, because we got the new Call of Duty and everything. We got 3 controllers ready to go, so you better get your butt over here, bro.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I'll be right over. Don't touch me this time.
What? What?
Don't touch me. Can you not touch me this time?
Yeah, what?
Whatever. Let's just... Alright, it's been about 10 minutes.
Okay, so we just called Matt, so we should be over here in a minute now. You got it?
Oh yeah, dude, we're good. We're solid. Yeah. Okay. Come on in.
Hey, dude.
Hey, buddy, what's going on, man?
Not much, man. Just ready to... Holy shit! Oh my god!
That was sick, dude.
Fell for it!
Alright, guys. Look, thanks so much for watching our video. Look, guys, just
Subscribe for more.
subscribe for more. We got all kind of pranks coming, everything, guys. Peace! Woo woo!